Hi, I'm Scott from the Sound of Tri-State in the Dover, Delaware location. Today we're going to do an unboxing on the SoundStream Reserve. It's a new unit for SoundStream that works for the Harleys. It's an entertainment system for the 1998 to the 2013 Harleys. So it's a single DIN Harley Davidson radio for the Street Glide, and it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's got Sirius ready with a 7-inch LCD. And today we're going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. First off, we start out with the instruction manual that comes with it, and then it also comes with a harness set that is a direct plug and play for those years of the Harleys. So it plugs directly into the radio and then into the bike. And then inside we also have the Bluetooth microphone, so if you want to make calls while you're riding on your bike, you can. And then we also have a screw pack that is designed to bolt right into the direct locations for the Harley with the radio. And then now I'm going to go ahead and pull out the radio for you and show you what we have here. So here we have the 7-inch LCD screen on the front of the unit. And then as you can see, it's going to have the exact bolt locations for the Harley. So they are a direct fit right into the Harley's chassis. And then on the back side, we're going to have our harness plug that the harness is going to attach to. And then it also has on the back a set of RCA jacks so that you have front, rear, and sub. So in case if you're not doing a direct radio to the speakers, you can actually add amplifiers and make the system loud. And that pretty much is what there is to the SoundStream Reserve.